Need to free up space or just want to take a break from Block Blast? Let me show you how to uninstall it in just a few simple steps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Block Blast. First of all, tap and hold on the Block Blast app. Here tap on App Info option. And here you can see the uninstall option. You can simply tap on it and this app will be uninstalled. Similarly, the next way to uninstall Block Blast is go to your Play Store app. Here in the search bar type in Block Blast. Now click on Block Blast. And here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. Then tap on uninstall option once again. And that is how you can simply uninstall Block Blast. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.